Hello, this is Shar from The Real Kitchen for Real People. Hope everyone is staying safe and doing well. This is the day that the Lord has made. Let us rejoice and be glad in it. Today we're going to feature homemade pancakes, and I'm going to use the Pioneer buttermilk baking mix. So what I have in the bowl here is 2 cups of the Pioneer baking mix, and I'm going to add these following items: 1.5 cups of milk, 2 eggs, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and a teaspoon of vanilla flavoring. Now the sugar is just added to make your mixture smooth. Just makes it smooth so it won't be so lumpy and hard to mix. But also by adding that tablespoon of sugar, you're able to really eat the pancakes without any syrup, for those who don't like to add syrup. But anyway, I'm going to mix these items together, and in the meantime, heat up your grill on the stove or your pan on medium. Spray your pan and then turn it on medium, about medium low. And if you have a griddle, just turn it on medium and spray it down. Okay, I'll mix these items together. Okay, here's my mixture. I've mixed it up. Okay, and this is what you get. And I've been using this mixture probably for over 25 years. So that's why I said Pioneer, because I know how it works. And your pancakes and biscuits and waffles turn out perfect. So now my griddle is hot, I'm going to start my cooking. Okay. What I do is, my griddle is hot, so what I'll do is put 2 tablespoons in each pancake. Okay? So that's what I'm going to do. Put the pancake in each area. Probably about 3 at a time on here. As you can see, this griddle has been used. So I'm going to start the pancakes. Okay, I decided to do 2 on there to have plenty of room to flip them. So I put 2 tablespoons of the batter on each pancake. And then you just let them cook. And then when these little bubbles kind of fills the whole little area, see how the bubbles are coming up? Then you flip it. Okay, see how that looks? Now I'm going to flip them over. Okay, I flipped them over. And one thing you don't want to do is when you flip them, don't mash them down. Just let them cook, because it makes your pancakes tough when you mash them. So just let them cook for a few minutes until you can peek at them underneath until they're lightly brown, and then you know they're done. Okay, that's how they look under the bottom. So these 2 are done. And you just carry on, do the same thing to get these delicious pancakes. I'm going to do 2 more. Okay, and when you're adding your batter on the grill or in your pan, add it in the middle of your pancakes, and that kind of keeps them round, kind of keeps them at the same size. Okay, this is your finished product.